quiet. It just goes ding, 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 and puts all the bullets right in. But it's the same noise as that one without this big silencer on. Huh. So this is the best weapon you'll ever shoot in your life. It's the most expensive, best gun.
What is it?
It's an MP5 SD Navis with a SEAL shoot. And it just puts all the bullets in a little circle like that. Quietly, easily, and kills the terrorist. There you go.
This is the cheapest, biggest piece of crap you'll ever shoot in your life.
You're left-handed again? Okay, you're good. Alright.
Watch out.
Where do the piece of junk guns go to shoot?
Anything you want to shoot, in that metal. You look through this hole, put that dot on it, you got to get way down low. Get it up. There you go. Look through this hole, put that point on there, and just pull the trigger.
Ow!